Good morning. I am Animesh Mishra from class 12th A. Today I am presenting here my views on the topic the role of youth in the nation building on the occasion of the birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekananda. The youth of the nation are the backbone and the most powerful force within the nation. They are the hope of the future and can shape the destiny of a country. The youth have also been instrumental in the change of governments wherever need for such a change has been felt. They have always been in the forefront in the building of political, social, and economical orders of society. They play a positive roles for the cause of nation and national integration. To help India realize its dreams, the youth can and ought to play a leading role in bringing together the people of different states with diverse religion and integrate them emotionally, economically, and culturally, and keep the country together and defeat all the separatist attempts. The nation today faces grave securities concerns both externally and internally. This intensifies when viewed with the fact that our country is a democratic country with a secular base. The terrorists and the fundamentalists are a grave danger to our unity. The youth are the pulse and the strength of the nation, and with their alertness and the balanced approach can help in bringing the stability to the nation and help in the thwarting selfish design of enemy. Youth are the privileged person in society who can contribute to development. India has NCC, NSS, NSVS and other organizations which are very good asset to our country. We should give them chance to channelize their young energy in these constructive channels. Some other measures should be taken, like there should be integration committees composed by representatives on at the village, district, state and national level. And the youth should be engaged in such communities to contribute in society. Young men and women are the reservoirs of unbound energy and enthusiasm. And as Vivekananda has already said, give me 100 energetic young men and I shall transform India. That's all I would like to say. Thank you and have a nice day.